Hello! This morning at Toddler and Earlier STEM, we had lots of fun with conkers, bells and pom-poms, which we threw down onto trays of bicarb to see what kind of indents we can make. We also counted the number of bells we could pick up with our magnetic wands. Magnetic wand to the tray. Do you think the tray might get stuck to the magnetic wand?
I think that's a bad idea.
Ah! Oh, look at that. You've got quite a lot. Have you got loads, Carmen? Do you know how many you've got? Can you count them? What do you think you've got? Is that 4 or is that more than 4? Put vinegar into the tray with bicarb and made some very interesting marks with the bells, the conkers and the pom-poms. We also found that the vinegar and bicarb make an interesting fizzing sound, which was quite fun to listen to. Then we used tweezers to pick up the pom-poms and conkers and put them into separate bowls, which was quite an interesting task. We also looked at what would happen to water and conkers when it's poured over the sieve. What might happen to the water in the bowl? What do you think will happen when you pour the water in the bowl with the conkers onto the sieve? Should we see? Do you think there might be a big splash? We found that the conkers slide off the sieve. Why do you think none of them went on top of the sieve? Do you think there might be a reason? What's the reason? Do you think if suppose, Carmen, if we turn that over, if we turn the sieve over, do you think it would go in better? It is bigger. And also, do you think it's because it's like a cup?
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. We then tried to hide little drops of water under scoops, and we found that these little drops of water actually seep out from under these scoops or spoons. And then let's see what happens to the water, whether the water actually seeps out from underneath the spoons or whether it stays underneath the spoons. What do you think might happen? Do you think it might all come out of the spoons, or do you think it might stay inside the spoon? It might stay inside the spoon. Okay, let's try that. We found turning the scoops or spoons over and filling them with water was probably the best way of keeping the water in the spoon or scoop. Thank you for watching Toddler and Earlier STEM. Please stay tuned for next week's session. Goodbye!